بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بمناسبة رجوع الدوري احنا جاهزين 100%. حضرنا لمباراة الصد بكل قوة. دائما مباراة ضد الصد تكون مباراة صعبة، فيها حماس، فيها مستوى. ان شاء الله احنا نقوموا بالواجب ونقدم مباراة كبيرة، ودائما المباراة متنجمش تنبأ بها. ان شاء الله احنا مركزين وجاهزين، وان شاء الله تكون مباراة في المستوى، واللي الأحسن هو راح يفوز إن شاء الله.
Salam alaikum. So we know that the next game against Al-Sadd will be a tough game because, in my opinion, is the best team in the country, and we have to know that for sure we will have a different situation that we can suffer. But for sure, if we are in a real level, we can compete against them because we are training really well in the last 10 days, and we are ready. We are ready to try to win the game during all the game. So, and the most important is that we can have confidence in our idea in order to compete against the big team, knowing that the game will be long, and we have to be ready to understand all the situations, attacking, defending. So this is important, that we have to be in the game during all the 90 minutes, 100 minutes. We will see.